There must be fucking, there's probably 100 of them little buggers. Can you see them? See them? One right here by my feet. See them? Beautiful little clusters. I should almost come back, but fuck. Move the sticks and pick. You probably, oh, look at them right over there too. Right down there. Should go get her and teach her. Yep. I didn't count them. Maybe I hold still enough somebody can. I can later. It's been a long day. There. And there. Probably close to 3 pounds. Grandpa gets to teach his granddaughter how to find morels. Put her in the bag, bud. What kind of mushroom is that, honey? A morel? Oakland. Hey, you see that one? Look at that one. See them? We got the ones up there above the remote were found in an apple orchard about the size of a football field. A lot of walking and looking. One here, one there. And these ones below the remote were all found by one tree on my way home at 7 o'clock, 7:30 from County Market in Hillsboro. Trying to get a scale. Finished picking them with a flashlight.